Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports on this, well, snowy day here in upstate New York. We've got a little bit of a treat for you today. We've got a Homelite 150 vintage chainsaw. I don't see these much anymore. You see a lot of the XLs, the Super XLs, 12s. Very rarely anymore do I see a halfway decent 150. It's a very nice looking saw. The bar is in good shape. Chain probably needs to be either sharpened or replaced. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why doesn't he light this thing off? Okay, why don't I light this thing off? While I would not exactly call this a museum piece, I would say it's a very good example of this particular model. Has great compression, obviously has good spark, and it starts easily. Folks, you could spend $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 on a brand new Echo Steel Husqvarna. If you're the kind of person that, well, maybe once or twice a season uses a saw, or just uses it occasionally at a camp, why spend that kind of money when you can have a classic saw that will do the job at a fraction of the price? Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.